Machine failure is a company's worst nightmare. Finding the cause is often a long and laborious task, not to mention the money it costs. At engineered resin compound manufacturer Sitraplas, problems like this are a thing of the past.
All of our systems here can communicate with each other, which allows us to localize issues very quickly. What's more, some defects can even be rectified by the system itself.
The metal separators are connected up with other parts of the system, guaranteeing an undisturbed flow of information. The system operator is notified when there is a problem or receives a message on a tablet. Here he can monitor all of the system parameters. This all happens in real time too, as the system is linked up to the company's network.
This is all made possible by the OPC UA protocol. OPC UA stands for Open Platform Communications Unified Architecture and is an Ethernet-based LAN standard. This smart technology is playing an ever more important role in the resin industry. Thanks to the plug-and-play technology, it is easy to link various system components together and enable them to share data.
Maintenance and machine shutdown periods have been reduced to a minimum since we have implemented OPC UA. System availability has risen significantly too.
Sesotec is one of the first system providers to offer smart inspection and sorting solutions for the plastics, food and recycling industries. We are embracing Industry 4.0 and helping out our customers all over the world.